Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. In the depths of the Amazon rainforest, a discovery was made, one that has left scientists and researchers stunned. A skeleton, gigantic in size with an elongated neck, reminiscent of beings we've only read about in ancient texts. Could this be proof of a lost civilization, one that existed long before recorded history? The Quran tells us of people who were mighty, nations that built massive structures that seemed indestructible. Yet, those very civilizations vanished, leaving only ruins behind. The jungle has kept its secrets well, but the truth always finds a way out. As we unearth more, we begin to piece together a forgotten past, a past that aligns with Islamic teachings of ancient peoples, of giants, and their eventual downfall. The skeleton, discovered in a remote part of the Amazon, measures over 12 feet in length. Its proportions are unlike anything seen before. Could this be a relic of the people of Ad? The Quran speaks of them, a powerful nation, whose like was never created in the land. Surah Al-Fajr 89:8. The people of Ad were known for their immense strength, their towering figures, and their arrogance. They believed nothing could destroy them, but they were wrong. Their defiance of Allah's commands led to their destruction, and now we are finding traces of their existence. What does this discovery mean for us? Is it simply an archaeological marvel? Or is it a warning? A reminder that no matter how advanced we become, how powerful we think we are still subject to the will of Allah. Islam teaches us that the earth is full of signs, signs that point to the past, and signs that warn of the future. The Quran speaks of the day of judgment, when the earth will give up its secrets, when what was hidden will be revealed, and when the earth throws out its burdens. Surah Al-Zalzala 99:2. Is this skeleton one of those burdens? Is the earth revealing to us the consequences of arrogance, of pride, of defying divine laws? The Amazon, with its vast unexplored depths, may hold many more secrets. But what we've found so far challenges our understanding of history. It forces us to rethink what we know about ancient civilizations. Islam has always taught that there were nations before us. Nations that were destroyed because they turned away from the truth. The skeleton, with its elongated neck, its massive frame, seems almost otherworldly. But it's a part of our world, a world that has seen many civilizations rise and fall. The Quran tells us, do they not travel through the land and see what was the end of those before them? Surah Ghafir 40:21. We've seen the ruins of ancient Egypt, the remnants of the Maya, and now we are discovering even older civilizations, civilizations that may have been lost to time, but not to history. As we dig deeper, we uncover more than just bones. We uncover the stories of those who lived before us, stories that have been preserved in the Quran for centuries. Islamic teachings provide us with a framework to understand these discoveries. They remind us that we are part of a much larger story, a story that stretches back to the beginning of time and forward to the end of days. The skeleton found in the Amazon is a piece of that story, a story of arrogance, of power, and of ultimate destruction. The Quran speaks of nations that were greater than us, yet they were wiped from the earth because of their defiance. What can we learn from this discovery? What does it mean for our future? The past is speaking to us through the bones of giants. Are we listening? In the dense jungles of the Amazon, this skeleton remained hidden for centuries. Why? Perhaps because humanity wasn't ready to face the truth. But now, in this age of information, as we uncover the remnants of past civilizations, we are being reminded of our place in the world. We are not the first, and we will not be the last. The Quran tells us of the people of Thamud, who carved their homes out of mountains, believing they were invincible. pride led to their downfall. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned us of the rise and fall of nations. Many before us thought they were invincible, but they too were brought to their knees. And now we uncover their bones, their history, their legacy. The Amazon, with its towering trees and dense foliage, has long been a place of mystery. But as we continue to explore, we are finding that it holds more than just natural wonders. It holds the remnants of civilizations that have been forgotten by time. Islam teaches us to reflect on the signs around us. The Quran says, "Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the alternation of the night and the day, are signs for those of understanding." Surah Al-Imran 3:190. These signs are all around us. The discovery in the Amazon is one of those signs, a sign that reminds us of the fragility of life, of the power of Allah.